This is a 2022 Audi S4 in Quantum Gray on 19-inch Audi Sport wheels. If you're new to this channel, you should know this car is the reason it all started. My goal is to achieve a balance between a comfortable daily driver and a car that performs well on track, and my mods of choice come from 034 Motorsport. Now, several mods and several videos later, it's time to put all these performance mods to the test. By pushing it here, at Willow Springs International Raceway, the fastest road in the West. My first impression of this car when I bought it was that the engine had great potential. The driver's visibility and seating position were outstanding. The car felt both sporty and luxurious, but the suspension was too soft and the car rode a bit too high for me.
Yeah, but can you really take that on track? Of course.
So what have you done so far to get it track ready?
Well, I'm glad you asked.
This car is a bit heavy.
All that weight and high center of gravity translates to increased body roll while cornering, like me trying to walk after a few margaritas. So lowering these S4s is a great place to start. This car's lowered on H&R Sport lowering springs, which gives it a nice stance. As you can see, there's not a lot of clearance here between the wheel well and the tire.
But the ride is really harsh. I'm constantly dodging potholes on the freeway.
Yeah, the ride comfort's not great with those springs. So if you're gonna lower your car, I suggest you go with 034 Motorsport's Dynamic Plus lowering springs. They are specifically designed for this car and these shocks. So you're gonna get a much better balance between performance and comfort at a very low cost.
So is lowering it enough? Nope, not when you drive like I do.
You really need to bring in the heavy metal if you want to be track ready. 1, 2. That's where the sway bar comes in. I'm talking about the 034 Motorsport rear sway bar and adjustable end links. These significantly reduce body roll, and they're much better than the OEM sway bar.
I tested the sway bar and lowering springs at Willow Raceway, and the car felt much better, but not perfect.
So is that it? Bro, come on. I'm just asking, jeez.
The next mod I did was a 034 Motorsport transmission mount and billet aluminum insert. The transmission mount replaces the softer Audi transmission mount, and the insert fills the voids left by the OEM part. And that's what mods are about, right? Filling voids.
But wait, there's more. The next mod I did was this beautiful 034 Motorsport strut brace. Not only does it make your engine bay look special, but it also helps you achieve proper suspension geometry under heavy cornering, which I proved at a recent autocross. Next came the 034 Motorsport rear subframe mounts. I could not believe how flimsy the Audi subframe mounts were. So all those upgrades got my suspension and handling feeling pretty good. So naturally, I wanted more power.
And more power, baby. More power, baby.
So I went with 034 Motorsport's Stage 1 ECU and TCU tune. This tune is amazing. It completely woke up the engine, transmission, and exhaust. Remember this? I'll never get tired of that.
I felt the difference immediately with this tune, and I love all the extras that come with it. If you haven't gone Stage 1 with 034 Motorsport yet, what are you waiting for? Do it! Do it! Do it! Do it! Do it! Now! Go!
Dude. Next I did the JXB Performance Driveshaft carrier. Like with some of the other mods, the OEM part was not as sturdy. The JXB Performance Driveshaft carrier stiffens up the driveshaft and I believe prolongs the life of the overall driveshaft system. I bought this car for about $53,000 and I've put about $2,600 worth of mods into it to get it track ready. But you know, all this talk of mods has made me hungry. We interrupt your program to bring you a special news bulletin. Frida's Pizza has opened up another location here in Westlake Village, California. Let's check it out. And this location has all the same delicious menu items as their other location. Pizzas, sandwiches, salads, appetizers, beer and wine? They got that too. Pizza by the slice? Yep. Frida's uses only the freshest ingredients and everything is made to order. And did you know Frida's is family owned and operated? It's true. Fun fact, Frida's is actually named after the owner's mother, who had a love for great food and shared that love with her family. You too can enjoy great food at Frida's restaurant in Westlake Village, California. Get on down here and eat more pizza. You'll get here faster if you mod your car.
I chose a very special track day to test out all my mods because it was hosted by Audi Group Los Angeles and was a small private track day event. The day started nice and early with the track orientation, and then we headed trackside. There were only about 18 cars total, and we were split into 3 groups, so I had a lot of freedom on the track. The big track at Willow Springs, also known as Big Willow, is a 2.5-mile road course that consists of 9 turns. The track is notoriously fast, and I was running in the advanced group with some of the R8s. This was my first time at Willow Springs, so I was a little nervous.
Willow Springs actually offers 7 different racing tracks in total, including Streets of Willow, Horse Thief Mile, and the Balcony Autocross and Skid Pad, where you may find people doing this. I'm at the top of turn 4, which is also known as the balcony.
Here is some of the in-car video from my laps. The car felt really comfortable on the track. I could tell that all the mods made for a more track-oriented experience compared with stock. Keep in mind, I'm not racing here. I'm on stock brakes and tires and have to drive about an hour home, so my goal wasn't to burn the brakes and destroy the tires. My goal was to go fast without worrying about getting a ticket and push the car in the corners beyond what I can do on the streets. My laps did get consistently better each time, and I even kept up with this R8 for a bit. But after a while, I could feel the brakes starting to get a little mushy, and I kept thinking, these are the tires I have to drive home on. I was happy to get my car up to about 125 miles per hour on the track, but when I learned that this R8 was reaching over 150 miles per hour on the straight, it made me want more mods.
Hey guys, my name is Tyler Sutterstrom and I'm here from Pacific German from Laguna Hills, and we're up here at Big Willow Springs in sunny Southern California. We brought out our 2017 Audi R8. It's running a VF supercharger on the car, so it's kit by VF Engineering. It's making 800 horsepower on 91 octane fuel. 2 weeks ago, I actually just ran a 9-second quarter mile on the car, so it's a daily driver that's fast, and again, it does everything, but it's on KWV4 coilovers. I've got the Capristo Aero on the car, the Automotive Passion rear wing, running a BBS FIR wheel with a Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tire. It's got a lot of cool V10 plus parts on it. It's Aura blue on the color, so it's a standard color that's on the R8 and RS3, but the blue and gold, it's just a fun car.
What's going on, guys? My name is Aram. I'm here with AGLA. Brought the 034 Motorsport Development B9 2.0, running the whole catalog on the car, and we're looking to have fun. It's a great track day, lots of wind, very cold, and a very boutique style small turnout. So we have plenty of space to have a little bit of fun, set some personal bests, watch some people have a little too much fun.
Hi, my name's Gabriel Romano. I'm with AGLA. This is my 2019 RS5. Right now I'm stage 1 plus on my ECU, stage 2 on my TCU. Got some suspension stuff in here. Got a lot of engine mods. Got my going intake, downpipes, res delete.
Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Randy with Audi Group Los Angeles. We are a local Audi club in the Los Angeles area. This is our 3rd annual track day here at Big Willow. Got a bunch of Audis out here driving their cars, taking it to the track, having fun. So yeah, it's a good time. I want to thank all of our sponsors that help make this day possible, and all the drivers that are driving safe and fast. I hope to see you at the next one.
As you can see, I have some very serious mod competition. So at this point in my mod journey, would I say that I'm happy? Well, I achieved a track-capable daily driver, which is what I set out to do. The suspension mods and tune made a world of difference, but when you're on a track like this, chasing down R8s, you quickly realize that the car you thought was fast on the streets just isn't fast enough on the track. I want more power. So let's talk about the mods that are coming next. We have 034 Motorsport, two-piece rear rotors and front rotors, and a turbo blanket to help keep the engine bay and turbo at the right temperatures. We have a P34 cold air intake system from 034 with the super duper turbo inlet, and a Wagner intercooler to help keep my temps nice and regulated when I'm on the track. And I also have some 034 Motorsport stainless steel braided brake lines coming as well. And what is all this in preparation for? Well, we're gonna be going to Laguna Seca Raceway for a track day event hosted by 034 Motorsport and Turn 8 Racing. This is what I'm gonna use to become track ready for that event. But you know, these events aren't free. If you want to help me get there, please consider purchasing some of my new Midlife Mods gear, like what I'm wearing now. High quality hats, shirts, and hoodies with original designs are all available now from the link in the description and on my channel page. I've got everything you need to mod your closet. Proceeds will go towards more video content and more track days. And don't forget to floor that like button and hit the bell icon to make sure you get notified when my next video drops. Until then, thank you for watching Midlife Mods.